Thank you for choosing Robot-Coupe. This is a training video explaining the essential steps for the assembly and operation of your cutter mixers. This video is suitable for R8 to R20 and for Blixer 8 to Blixer 20. Assembly. Install the bowl on the motor shaft. The safety magnet must be placed on the back. Place the bowl by pushing down and rotating it anti-clockwise. Place the lid arm on the machine. Lock with the metal pin. Place the lid in the right place. Push the lid. Place the blade in the bowl. There are different blade assemblies with 2 or 3 blades. Please refer to the blade assembly video. Only for Blixer, insert Blixer scraper arm into lid and connect it to the handle. To close the lid, engage the hook under the rim of the bowl, then fold the handle down to lock the lid. Never use the appliance if the hook is not correctly positioned. Check that the hook is properly engaged under the rim of the bowl and the handle is correctly locked. Each time you plug the machine, the green indicator light will flash. Simply open and close the lid. The light is now a continuous green light. Your machine is ready to work. Operation. The light indicates the operational status of your machine. Continuous green light. No green light. Flashing green light. Continuous green light. Your appliance is ready to work. No green light. Your appliance is switched off. Plug the machine. If there is still no green light, please contact a certified technician. Green flashing light. Check the 3 safety devices. The safety bowl device. Check that the bowl is in the right position. The safety lid device. Check that the magnet on the lid is in the right position. The safety lid support device. Check that the lid is firmly closed. Check that the hook is properly engaged under the rim of the bowl and the handle is correctly locked. The green flashing light is replaced by a continuous green light. Your machine is ready to work. If the light is still flashing, please contact a certified technician. For more detail, please refer to the diagnostic code video. On button first speed, 1,500 rounds per minute for 50 Hz machines, 1,800 rounds per minute for 60 Hz machines. On button second speed, 3,000 rounds per minute for 50 Hz machines, 3,600 rounds per minute for 60 Hz machines. Pulse button. Press off button to stop the machine, then wait at least 3 seconds for the blade to stop completely before safely unlocking the lid. Watch the next chapter for accessories.